Rahman Rahim. Start in the great name of Almighty Allah, the merciful, the beneficent, Rahman and Rahim, who gave us the power of speaking and who is the Kun Fayakun. Venerable Chief Guest, worthy principal, respectable teachers, and all dear audience, Assalamu Alaikum. If all the water of seas and oceans become ink to praise and sing the majestic and dignified character of Khatimun Nabiyyin Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, look small and minute. Respectable Chief Guest, nearly 1400 years ago, the people were engaged in cruelty, illiteracy, superstition, ignorance, and a lot of social evils. They were so tyrant. At that time, they buried their daughter alive. There was no status of women. The woman was treated like concubines. Then at such critical juncture, Allah Rabbul Izzat raised Rahmatul Lil Alameen among themselves to bring the change in their life with the light of education. Yes, Mr. Chief Guest, yes, education is the one of the blessing of life and one of the necessity. The word education not only means acquiring knowledge, but to strive for your nation till the death and be the man of good citizen. हमें दुनिया से क्या मतलब सुकून अपना वतन होगा, हमें दुनिया से क्या मतलब सुकून अपना वतन होगा, किताबों में दफन होंगे वरक अपना कफन होगा. The Holy Quran reminds us that gaining knowledge is an active part of faith. Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Rahmatul Lil Alameen, remarked that seeking knowledge is an active part of faith. And seeking knowledge is an active part of faith. It is obligatory on every Muslim. I want to highlight the great quotation of Nelson Mandela. He asserted that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It means that education is the most valuable treasure that will make you a successful human being. Dear audience, when I realized that education is the soul of society as it passes from one generation to another, I recall my ancestors who changed the course of history with their words and philosophy. I became Socrates and drank poison. I became Galileo, I became Archimedes, I became Kindi, Rumi and Razi, I became Karni, Sadi and Shirazi. When I realized that education is a movement from darkness to light, I chose to become Rashid Minas, to become Lalak Jan, to become Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. I chose to become the soul of martyr of Army Public School, Peshawar. Mr. Chief Guest, the Pakistani nation will never forget the 16th of December. The wounds of memory of 150 martyrs of APS Peshawar tragedy has refreshed. The scale of patience again filled with grief. The scale of patience again filled with sorrow. The scale of patience again filled with grievance. फूल देखे थे जनाजों पे हमेशा मैंने, फूल देखे थे जनाजों पे हमेशा मैंने, कल मेरी आंखों ने फूलों के जनाजे देखे. Dear audience, it was the day when the green flag turned red with the blood of 1,500 of newcomers. The bees dismembered the legs of 150 mothers, snatched their liver from their fathers and their moons from their sisters. Dear audience, it was the day that united the whole nations against terrorism. It was the day that gave new destiny to the life of Pakistan. This was the day that gave new destiny to the life of Pakistan. Dear audience, the sacrifice of Army Public School and children and teachers never forgotten. They will always remain in our hearts. Consequently, I conclude my speech with the grievance lines. वो जुल्म नहीं भूले, वो शहादत नहीं भूले, वो जुल्म नहीं भूले, वो शहादत नहीं भूले, मासूम फरिश्तों की इबादत नहीं भूले. बारूद के शोले वो तड़पते हुए बच्चे, बारूद के शोले वो तड़पते हुए बच्चे, हम लोग अभी तक वो कयामत नहीं भूले. हम तो मर जाएंगे ए अर्ज़े वतन फिर भी, हम तो मर जाएंगे ए अर्ज़े वतन फिर भी, तुम्हें जिंदा रहना है कयामत के सर होने तक. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाक